Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shipma News. Here I am reading the only newspaper article. This is our today article. Why has the monsoon come early this year? Premature advance. People wait through a flooded road during the monsoon rain in Kochi, May 26. Does any early arrival signal a more bountiful rain? Did the monsoons come earlier in 2009 as well? What role do the El Nino and La Nino phenomenon play? How does the rains reach Kerala? Has the monsoon onset been systematically delayed over the year? Raghu Murthu, good day. Explainer wrote this article. The story so far. Last week, the Indian Meteorological Department said the southwest monsoon set in over Kerala on May 24, a week ahead of its normal onset since 1975. The earliest monsoon onset over Kerala occurred on May 1999. 1990, 13 day ahead of schedule. In there a secret sauce to the monsoon's early arrival? The short answer to this question is we don't know. The onset date tends to be around June 1st, give or take a few days. Earlier arrival is always a reason to celebrate, but unfortunately it does not always portend a bountiful monsoon. However, a late arrival by more than 2 weeks nearly always bring a deficit. Predicting the onset date is a great challenge and is eagerly awaited by the subcontinent. What is the science of the monsoon onset? There are many theories as to the science of the onset, but this just means there is no consensus on a complete understanding of the process leading to the onset. Even the famed El Nino and La Nino don't offer systematic predictability to the onset. The march of through it was carefully from its origin in the northwestern tropical Pacific into the Andaman Sea and the Bay of Bengal, but many players still think with the through movement from the Bay of Bengal to Kerala. It has been reported that the monsoon onset has been systematically delayed by a few days since the 1970s. There have been many studies of a recent shift in the climate system as well as the ecosystem around the time, but the shift causes are not entirely understood. If it is just a natural decadal time scales variability of the climate system, it will always be difficult to predict. Moreover, the impact of global warming on the region shift poses further barrier to understanding and predicting shift in the one side. Natural variability means that even with the systematic delay in the onset, we will still have some year with every early onset, 2025 being a good example. Our past, present, early onset. One set similar, the year one set was the earliest in 16 years. The last was on May 23, 2009. Let's examine some of the conditions underlying this event. 2008 was about 0.5 degrees Celsius warmer than the pre-industrial baseline, and 2000 was a mild El Nino year. The summer of 2009 was noted to be warm across the tropical Pacific, which is unusual for El Nino year. In an El Nino year, the is expected to be warming in the summer and the west to be cooling. Was that an indication that global warming is low super, superimposing itself on El Nino? Other El Nino years since have not systematically shown by such pattern. Fortunately, 2009 turned out to have a severe monsoon drought. We can only hope this year early onset will not repeatedly that piece of history. Global warming thus far into 2025 is already over 1.2 degrees Celsius, and the world is right reading the coattails of record warmth in 2023 2024 with a strong El Nino in 2023 and a failed El Nino La Nino in 2024. An unusual sea surface temperature anomaly pattern in the tropical Pacific occurred in 2024 with warm anomalies in the far east and far west, cool, cooler anomalies in the center. Even though it was called El Nino It pretends to wait for further analysis of the pattern to be reported soon. How does the monsoon reach Kerala? Many external factors are now playing into the arrival of the monsoon to Kerala. More cyclone are occurring late into the pre-monsoon cyclone season that is close to the monsoon once, and some have put the through forward to deliver an early one set during this year one set. The nose were pulled on the western end of the through indicate that the low pressure system traveling along the west coast may have played a role in the airline's higher season. Cyclone themes are likely related to architects warming on recent wind shift over the Arabian Sea. Typhoon in the Pacific have also pulled moisture away from the Indian Ocean during the onset fails to delay the onset considering the natural variability of the onset and these local and remote drivers of the circulating affecting the through there are difficult challenging in understanding and predicting the onset even if such predictions become very accurate they will not suffice unless we can also predict the fate of the monsoon for the rest of the season. Will 2025 be like 2009? In 2009 war to be warm across the tropic in the summer had a mild El Nino in the winter and rapidly transitioned to a La Nina in 2010. Even through this events occurred after the monsoon onset, the ocean heat continued. The winds carry some signs of things to come in needed. The onset may be related to how the tropical Pacific sea surface temperature for are evolving during the onset. At present, the cool temperature in the central Pacific are disappearing with the warm temperature in the east and west persisting from 2024. But even if the summer of 2025 end up behaving similar oh, to that of 2009, we can't know without the further study if they imply a connection to the early onset. The forecast at present call for a natural year so far. El Nino and the Indian Ocean dispo are concerned, which could make 2025 different from 2009. But some decades climate variability in greater are favoring and El Nino to involve this some El Nino. If any El Nino does involve, will that mean it has a role in the early onset? We need to wait advance. How is seasonal rainfall distribution changing? All the leaves us with no clear answer as the cause of the monsoon early onset this year or any year. It is just natural variability. We need to understand how the variability is being influenced directly by global warming and indirectly through the impact of global warming and cyclone El Nino and the polar region. Even the monsoon withdrawal is changing with the merger of the southwest monsoon with the northwest monsoon in some regions of the country. Rainfall distribution within the season also remain erratic with floods and drought strewn across the country. Numerous efforts to keep producing advances in the potential drivers of the monsoon, but will be slow march forward. We can only hope for early onset of deep insight and better prediction. Raghu Murthugudy is retired professor IIT Bombay, emeritus professor University of Maryland. The year's onset was the earliest in 16 years. The last was on May 23, 2009. It has been reported that the monsoon onset has been systematically delayed by a few days since the 1970. Many external factors are now playing into the arrival of the monsoon through to Kerala. More cyclones are occurring late into pre-monsoon cyclone season that is close to the monsoon onset. So guys, this is today's video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for some more updates and more videos. Thanks for watching it in tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.